Dr. Malusi Gigaba steps aside from the ANC's duties. This is after having been charged for corruption by the National Prosecuting Authority. He appeared in court for specialized crime this week. So as you know, the ANC has this so-called step-aside rule that those who are charged for corruption, they have to step aside from their ANC's duties. Well, of course, there's contestation around that in terms of certain people are not expected and pressurized to do that, to step aside, especially those who are associated with Cyril Ramaphosa, those who are in the Cyril Ramaphosa's faction. Okay, so also to consider the fact that the NPA is in the pocket of Cyril Ramaphosa, so the charging in terms of who gets to be charged